Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gary back with a quick little update. I just installed a new shifter, assembly. This is from a 2001 A4. I have the pre-facelift one originally, and it was the one that looked like this. It has the metal housing, the metal ball housing, and this was the shifter. Obviously, you can tell it's this part right here is all busted up. It was just floating in the inside, like it was just horrible. So I upgraded it to a 2001. I grabbed the whole box right out of the junkyard. You could still use your box that's underneath. Um, but since it is a 2001, it no longer has a push down reverse. But yeah, it was fairly simple. Take the box, take these 4 screws out, and then, the regular linkage stuff. It would be pointless for me to make a video on it because JHM did a video on it and they explained it very well. That's why I was able to do it, because I didn't know how to do it, and I looked it up and their video helped me out. So shout out to those guys. That was an awesome video. And when you look up their video, just look up JHM solid short throw shifter, solid short throw Audi shifter, and the video will come up and the guy does it. Really good, and they show you how to do all the adjustments and everything from the bars inside, which I did everything, so it goes through all the gears nicely. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. So, and I put a little weighted shift knob on here. I am going to get the JHM short throw shifter, but not just yet. So, for now, I just had to put another one because that one was all busted. I had so much slop. It was horrible. Like, the whole thing wiggled around and moved. It was just a nightmare. So, with that being said, since this is a pre-facelift, you do have to remove the face cover that goes here, which I have it here. You have to remove the face cover, and these 2 screws right here, which is this one and this one, they are right behind this piece that covers the radio. If you have an aftermarket radio, you just pop this out, and then it's those 2 screws, and then you have 2 more, which mine were already busted, so I didn't care. You have one right there, and then you have another one on the opposite side, right over here. Can't really get a good picture of it, right there. And then you have another one right over here. It's a little 10mm nut, and that's it. And then, you could just pop the center console out. You just pull it from the top right here. You see it already starting to come out. It's because I didn't put the screws all the way back in. Well, I didn't put the face screws back in yet. But yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. And it's also this screw here and this screw here. So it's these 4 screws that hold on the face, and then and that's it, really. Take out the center console, because again, this is the pre-facelift. It only has this little spot right here to work in, and it's no good, no bueno. And the facelift one has the whole centerpiece here that's removable, which I will be doing because it's only the shell. I'm not changing none of this in here, so I'm only going to be changing this piece here, just the shell, and I'm getting it in black to match the center console, the armrest part. which I have found in the junkyard in like excellent shape, you know, and everything still works in it, you know, it still works, you know, so it's a beautiful thing. But yeah, that's the update, just to, you know, point out the things you got to do. But yeah, again, go to JHM YouTube, and they do a great explanation on how to get it done. So, and that's it. Put a new shifter boot, new shifter. It's nice, much better. All right, guys, drive safe, drive fast. Holla at your boy.